hope you're all doing well. Today's special is peanut masala, which is similar to bean nuts, which is sold in the shops. It can be used for parties or snacking. So it's very delicious. So let's go and look how we can make that very quickly. I've got 500 grams of raw peanuts, and then I've got besan flour. I've just taken a little, about a small container, and then a little bit of chili and salt, and then I do have half of that rice flour, crushed garlic, and then some curry leaves. So these are the ingredients we need for peanut masala. Now I'm going to mix all of them with the peanut, adding the besan flour, and then a little bit of rice flour, and chili and salt. And chili and salt is according to your taste. And then I'm throwing some curry leaves, and then crushed garlic, just the garlic. Now we can't pour the water, we keep sprinkling the water and then keep mixing it. The concept here is when we are frying the peanuts, it should be individual. It shouldn't be cluttered. So that's why we have to sprinkle and make sure it's not too wet, otherwise it gets a bit cloggy. Mix it well. Just putting all the curry leaves in. So now I mixed it well. So to get this consistency and a little bit of coating, make sure you can add more or less besan flour and chili powder. It's based on your taste, you can do it. This is how it should be. Too much coating also is not good. So let's go and deep fry this now. I've got the oil here on the stove. Just use as much as oil you want, and you can keep adding more oil because this oil cannot be reused again. The color changes. And I'm going to try with just one to see how it goes. Yes, the oil is ready. See how it's bubbling. But make sure to put the peanuts individually. The oil should not be heated too much because it will burn the coating of the peanuts. See how it's coming into individual things instead of cluster. It should be like this. Let it cook because we need the peanuts to be cooked as well because it's a raw peanut. You can increase and decrease the heat to maintain the heat for the peanuts to cook. I think the coating is enough. If you want, you can have more coating, but this is enough. It's not too spicy. To increase the heat a little bit. Once the peanuts are cooked, you'll see them floating a bit in the oil rather than settling at the bottom. That's when you know it's cooked. Also, when you're cooking, don't make it, leave it too long, and also the color changes, it gets darker. I think this color is better than the first one. It's nice. It would have been nice if I had this recipe before Christmas. But anyway, still you can enjoy. Kids are in school holidays. Now I've completed deep frying all the peanuts. This is how much you get for 500 grams, and see how it looks now. But you have to let it cool down maybe for an hour or two. It has to be really cool before we put it in a container like this, airtight container. This will be very delicious with any drinks or snacking in the evening for coffee or tea, anything. I think this will last only for a couple of days for us. That's how delicious this is. Let me try one. Very crunchy, like the chips. Kurkuru. Kurkuru chips in India. This is how it makes noise when you eat. Anyway. Thanks guys. Hope you like this recipe. If you do like it, please comment in the comment box. And also subscribe and press the bell button. And I will see you soon with some other easy recipe for you next time. Bye for now.